Hello guys, welcome back to this video. In this video, let us learn another new concept. There are multiple cloud providers in cloud. Is it? Yeah. So, based on development of services providing these these cloud providers are again classified as deployment models based on the cloud providings which are provided by the cloud providers, what clients can able to develop from cloud services. Based on that, these cloud providers are again classified into deployment models. So these are again classified into deployment models. Or else interviewers can also ask this question in same way as types of clouds. So types of clouds they can ask you, or else what are the deployment models that are present in cloud? These are the two questions that interviewers may ask you. So coming to these, there are mainly three deployment models. What are they? Public cloud. Don't worry, I'll explain you after providing these three in detail. So next one is private cloud. Private cloud. And third one is hybrid cloud. So these are the three deployment models, or you can say types of clouds which are available in the market. So whenever interviewer asks you what are the types of clouds or else deployment models, then you need to say these are the three. There are three. They are public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. So now the question is, so what is this public cloud? What is this public cloud? The providers. So you can see from the name itself, you can identify it's a public cloud. Users can able to access, everyone can able to access this cloud in public. Everyone can able to access this in public. We can even say this as from provider's point of view, we can say that the providers, the provider, the provider services, the provider services which are accessed by the provider services which are accessed by everyone. The provider services which are accessed by everyone. Then we can say that type of cloud as public cloud. What do we can say that type of cloud, sir? We can say that type of cloud as public cloud. So I hope you understood what is the public cloud. Sir, can you provide me few examples? Can you provide me few examples of this public cloud? Yeah. So if you can go with AWS, since it is providing me infrastructure as service model for everyone. So can I say that that cloud provider as public cloud? Yeah. Even if you come to GCP or Azure, Microsoft Azure, they are also public providers and so on, etc. These are multiple examples of the public cloud providers where they provide as the services where everyone can access those services. So what do you say about the private cloud providers, sir? So private cloud providers. So you can see from name itself, the cloud is accessible only for the organization, or you can say the company which is created that only can able to access this cloud. So can we write the point from provider's point of view? Yeah, the providers, the provider services, the provider services which are accessible, which are accessed, which are accessed by within the organization, within the organization only, within the organization only. Then we say this type of provider as private cloud provider. That means it is only for their company, for their company. So what is about hybrid cloud, sir? So hybrid cloud, it is nothing but, so what is about hybrid cloud? It is nothing but it's a combination. What is this hybrid cloud, sir? It's a combination. It's a combination of both. It's a combination of both public and private. Combination of both public and private cloud. We can say this is an hybrid cloud. Sir, can you provide me an example of this hybrid cloud, sir? Yeah, why not? If you see the bank coming to there, the transactions between one bank account to another bank account. So how they were happening? They were happening in public cloud. So coming to private data maintained by the bank, where it was maintaining their private data in their own data centers, right? Yeah. So in this way, this is one of the example. In general, I said this is one of the example for hybrid cloud. So I hope you understood the difference between public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. So now let us have a question. Now we are using what? AWS. We are using AWS. Which type of cloud we are using? Which type of deployment model we are using? Which type of clouds we are using? I hope you answered this question. The answer is public, since the provider provides services for everyone. So the provider providing services which are accessible by everyone. So we say that provider is a public. Since we are accessing that public cloud from AWS, we say that AWS as a public cloud. So I hope you understood this video. So thanks for watching. Please, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching again. See you back in the next video. Until then, bye bye.